What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at the new Bluedios. So this is the Bluedio Turbine 5th generation headphone. I've got high hopes for these because all the other Bluedios so far have all been really good. Now this one does charge off of USB-C. The active noise cancellation is supposed to give you crystal clear sound, and it's packing a 57mm driver in them, and they're supposed to have powerful bass. Oh yeah. These things look so nice. All right, so first off, we've got a user manual that is in, looks like multiple languages. Oh yeah. Then we got a little box here. We've got a carrying pouch, very standard for Bluedios. 5-foot long USB-C to 3.5mm, and about a 4-foot long USB-C to USB. Let's get this out of here. Get out of here. So satisfying. Man, look at that. Oh, those look so clean. I love Bluedio design. You've got your ANC switch. You can turn that on whether you're listening to music or not. Now, the top, very cushiony headband. It says Turbine right there on the top. This is all metal. That's metal. You pull it out, you got the little number on there. That is some super cushiony ear cup. Now these are over the ear, so these are not supposed to even be on the ear. Your ear is supposed to fit nice and comfortably inside. I can definitely tell you by feeling the inside right here, it's nice and soft. Right here you've got your volume. I believe this is gonna be your volume, previous and next. You got your USB-C port for charging, and then I believe this is gonna be your power. That's like butter on the ears, just not as oily. Let's turn on that ANC. Whoa, gone. Every single ambient sound is completely gone. Complete silence. I am in my own world. This is fantastic. All right, let's actually turn them on. Hello? Can we turn them on? I may need to look at the instructions. The instruction manual actually says this is actually plus and negative, so volume up, volume down, previous and next track. Over here, you've got your multi-function button, and then you've got your play and pause. Holding that down is what will turn it on. Okay, all right, here we go. Ready to pair. Get out of here, I don't need you. That is some super clear, crisp sound. Wow. Let's do bass. Now, the bass boosted focuses on really low, rumbly bass, not real punchy bass. I'm gonna find something with a little more punch. I can definitely tell when you turn on the active noise cancellation. It's kind of hard to describe. The volume obviously goes down a little bit. The quality though, it loses a little bit of depth, but for some reason it sounds like the bass comes out even more clearly. Very interesting. There's a lot less bass in these than I thought there was gonna be. Wow, that is so clear. Oh my God. I'm gonna do a distance check, I'll be right back. All right, I went about 50 feet. That's as far as I could go, and it's raining outside. I actually went outside, and they held connection. They're saying because it's Bluetooth 4.2 that it goes 10 meters or 30 feet. It goes a lot further than that. It didn't cut out even at the end of where I could go, which is about 50 feet from here out 2 doors. That's pretty good. So it has a 650 milliamp hour battery. The music and talk time should last you about 25 hours total on a single charge. So that's pretty good. These are definitely gonna last you the entire day plus 1 hour. Standby time is 1,000 hours, which means that you could just have these sitting here, connected on, doing nothing for 1,000 hours. That's many days. That's multiple days. You do the math. That's many days. All right, let's make a phone call. Man, these look good too. God, these feel so comfortable. Ah, I don't even care. I just want to wear them. Hello? Hi, can you hear me? You can hear me well? Sounds like I'm on the phone. That's a plus. Yeah, you do too. You sound real good. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I've got good news and I've got bad news. So we'll start with the bad news. The bad news is these ones are surprisingly lacking bass. Not the quality of the bass. The quality of the bass is actually really good. I'm not saying that there is no bass. I'm just saying I was expecting a lot more. They're even saying that it has powerful bass. I'm not hearing powerful bass. I'm hearing really good bass. I'm gonna say I've given the bass 4. The highs and mids are absolutely amazing. I'm gonna give it an 8.5, maybe even a 9. It is very well equalized. Again, just the bass needs to go up just a little bit, but the highs and mids are fantastic. But overall, yeah, for about 56 bucks, pretty good headphones. I'm definitely digging them. All right, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. You guys know what to do. Go check it out for yourself. But as for now, get out of here.